How to draw the Brazil flag. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, today we are going to draw the Brazil flag. To start, we are going to draw a straight line going up and down near the left side of our page. This will begin the outline of the flag. Then we are going to draw the bottom outline of the flag. For this, we are going to draw a slightly curved line. We're going to start at the bottom of that straight line that we just drew and draw a line going this way that slopes down near the right side. The reason why this line is not going to be straight is because my flag is going to look like it's flapping in the wind. If you would like to draw a still flag, then you can draw a straight line for the top and bottom outlines. Next, we are going to draw the top outline of our flag, which is going to be the exact same as the bottom outline that we just drew. If you drew yours curved, then draw the top outline curved as well, and if you drew yours straight instead, then draw the top outline straight as well. Then we are going to connect the top and bottom outlines of our flag by drawing a straight line up and down, connecting those two ends. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! The outline of our flag is all done. Now we are going to draw the detail in the middle. We are going to draw a large diamond in the middle of our flag. First, we are going to draw one of the sides with a straight line right here. Nice job! Now we are going to draw another diagonal line. This one is going to connect to the right side of the line that we just drew and go downwards and to the right. Awesome job! Now we are going to mirror these two lines that we just drew on the other side of our flag. Looks great! Now let's draw the last side. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! For the next step of drawing the Brazil flag, we are going to draw a big circle inside of this diamond shape we drew. Looking good so far, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! We're almost finished drawing the Brazil flag, but first we are going to add some more detail inside of that circle. We are going to draw a curved line right here through the middle of the circle. Then we are going to draw another curved line exactly the same right above it. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now the final step of drawing the Brazil flag will be to draw the stars inside of the circle. I'm going to draw 4 stars below the curved line inside of the circle and 1 star above it. But if you want to draw more stars on your Brazil flag, then feel free to do so because the actual flag has more stars than I'm going to draw. Awesome job! Our first star is done. Now let's draw some more. This is how to draw the Brazil flag. Thanks for drawing with me today. Learn how to draw Hub Crew. If you like this video, then give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next. And stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you again next time. Learn how to draw Hub Crew.
Hey, learn how to draw Hub Crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.